So I just want to be vulnerable with you in that sense, that this isn't always easy for me. So I knew I'd feel a little bit of that fear, but I'm here. Might catch you off guard with the bars, because it's weird when a red-headed dude with a beard just appears, but if I'm safe here, can I get a little cheer? Let's go. You guys, Brian tried his best, but my last name is pronounced Ben Cecchini. My name is Ben Cecchini. I'm a creator, a leader, love philanthropy and music, on a journey as a speaker, life coach, hoops trainer, and a breathwork facilitator, living in the now and not the later. For the haters, I got love and compassion. Use my passion, knowledge, and my talents to bring the people peace and end the violence, to reach performance peaks and cease the silence. I speak, I coach, I teach to reach the minds of the youth, the coaches, teachers, each and all ya. I'm here to spread the love and help you find the inspiration and motivation to step into your truth above the fear and through the hatred. So if you feel my mission's in alignment, we're vibing. Just let me know your dreams and desires, and we dive in the talks and the tools and a little bit of rhyming. So if you want to make more noise, then now is perfect time. Yeah.